Hi friends, I am happy to welcome you to our fascinating channel dedicated to incredible facts and amazing phenomena around us. Here, we will dive into the amazing world of knowledge, uncovering unique aspects of our planet, exploring mysterious events, and delving into science and history that will make you wonder. Each episode of our channel will be an invitation to journey through a fascinating labyrinth of facts you may not have known yet. We will touch on topics from the mundane to the fascinating, from incredible discoveries to strange phenomena that appeal to our curiosity. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fascinating stories. Get ready to revise your view of the world with us. Thank you for joining us on Top Facts, where wonder becomes your daily companion. Let's dive into the fascinating universe of knowledge together. In 2019, a hotel opened in the United States, which caused quite a furor. In this hotel, all the employees are robots. The hotel is called Henna Hotel and is located in the city of Sasebo, Nagasaki Prefecture. The idea for the hotel comes from a Japanese company called Huis Bosch. The hotel employs more than 200 robots that perform various functions. Porter robots greet guests and help them with check-in. Cleaning robots make sure the rooms are clean. Restaurant robots prepare and serve food. Security robots ensure the safety of guests. The Henna Hotel has generated a lot of interest from the public. Some people believe that it is the future of the hotel industry, while others think that it is just an experiment that will not be a success. It is hard to say what the future holds for the Henna Hotel. Perhaps it will indeed be the beginning of a new era in the hotel business. However, it is also possible that this experiment will not live up to expectations and the hotel will be closed. In Bolivia, at an altitude of more than 3,600 meters above sea level, there is a unique natural phenomenon, the salt desert tease. It is the largest mountain of salt in the world. Its area is about 10,582 square kilometers. The Uyuni Salt Desert was formed millions of years ago when there was a huge lake here. After the lake dried up, all that was left was salt, which over time formed huge white plains. During the dry season, from April to October, the surface of the salt marsh becomes perfectly flat. At this time, Uyuni turns into the largest mirror in the world. The reflection of the sky on the surface of the salt creates stunning optical illusions. The Uyuni Salt Marsh is a popular tourist destination. Here you can go hiking, biking, quad biking, or camel riding. You can also have a photo shoot here, as the scenery of Uyuni is incredible. The Uyuni Salt Desert is a unique natural phenomenon that is worth seeing with your own eyes. It is a place that strikes the imagination and leaves lasting impressions. In Mexico, in the jungles of the state of Chiapas, there is a unique natural phenomenon, the largest colony of ants in the world. This colony consists of about 306 million ants and covers an area of about 6,000 square meters. The colony was discovered in 2018 by a team of scientists from Mexico's National Institute of Botany. The scientists found that the colony consists of several million underground chambers where the ants live. The ants in this colony live in a strict hierarchy. The colony has a queen who lays the eggs, worker ants who take care of the eggs and larvae, and soldiers who defend the colony from enemies. The ants in this colony are very organized. They work together to get food, build a nest, and defend themselves from enemies. The ant empire is a unique natural phenomenon that boggles the mind. It is an example of how complex and organized insects can be. In Antarctica, in the Sentinel Mountains, there is a mountain called Laughing Mountain. It got this name because when you look at it from above, it resembles a laughing man. Laughing Mountain is about 2,700 meters high. It is located in a hard-to-reach area of Antarctica, so you can only see it from the air. When an airplane flies over the mountain, it gives the impression that it is smiling. Its top resembles a man's head, and its slopes resemble his shoulders and arms. Laughing Mountain was discovered in 1966 by an expedition of American scientists. They were amazed by its unusual appearance and gave it this name. Laughing Mountain is a popular tourist destination. Tourists come here to see this amazing natural wonder. Laughing Mountain is an object of research of scientists. They study its origin and features. Laughing Mountain is a unique natural phenomenon that strikes the imagination. It is a place that makes us smile. There many amazing animals in the world. Among them, there is a frog called the bullfrog. This frog is the largest frog in the world. The bullfrog can grow up to 30 centimeters in length and weigh up to 3 kilograms. This is about the size of an average dog. Bullfrogs live in North America, from the southern United States to Mexico. They live in swamps, ponds, and lakes. Bullfrogs are predators. They feed on insects, fish, small mammals, and even other frogs. Bullfrogs are important links in the ecosystem. They help control populations of insects and small animals. Bullfrogs can jump up to 3 meters. Bullfrogs can live up to 20 years. Bullfrogs are the subject of research by scientists. They study their behavior in biology. The bullfrog is a unique animal. It is the largest frog in the world and plays an important role in the ecosystem. There are many amazing plants in the world. Among them, there is a flower called the corpse flower. This flower is the largest and most smelly flower in the world. The corpse flower can grow up to 3 meters tall and weigh up to 15 kilograms. It has a brown-green color and a bell shape. The corpse flower grows in the rainforests of Indonesia and the Philippines. It blooms only once every few years, usually between May and July. The corpse flower exudes a strong odor of rotten meat. This odor attracts flies and other insects that pollinate the flower. The corpse flower is an important link in the ecosystem. It helps pollinate other plants and serves as food for insects. The corpse flower can emit the smell of rotten meat up to 10 kilometers away. The corpse flower can withstand temperatures up to 38 degrees Celsius. The corpse flower is the object of research by scientists. They study its biology and its importance to the ecosystem. The corpse flower is a unique plant. It is the largest and smelliest flower in the world. There are many amazing trees in the world. Among them, there are some trees that are called sequoias. These trees are the tallest trees in the world. Sequoias are coniferous trees that grow in North America. They can grow up to 115 meters tall and live up to 3,000 years. Sequoias have powerful trunks up to 10 meters thick. Their crowns can reach up to 30 meters in diameter. Sequoias are very strong and durable. They can withstand strong winds and fires. Sequoias play an important role in the ecosystem. They are home to many plants and animals. The tallest sequoia in the world is called Hyperion. It is located in the Redwood National Park in California. Its height is 115.61 meters. Sequoias can live up to 3,000 years. They are the longest living trees in the world. Sequoias are an important tourist attraction. There are several national parks in the United States where you can see these amazing trees. Sequoias are unique trees. They are the tallest trees in the world and play an important role in the ecosystem. There is a mushroom in the world called giant trout. It can reach up to 3 meters in diameter and weigh up to 40 tons. It is the largest mushroom in the world. There are many amazing mushrooms in the world. Among them, there is a mushroom called Trudovic giant. This mushroom is the largest mushroom in the world. Trudovic giant can reach up to 3 meters in diameter and weigh up to 40 tons. It has a spherical or disc shape. The giant Trudovic grows on trees that have died from disease or old age. It is a parasite and feeds on the wood of the host tree. The giant Trudovic grows very slowly. It can live up to 1,000 years. The giant trout is an important link in the ecosystem. It helps decompose dead wood and release nutrients into the soil. The largest giant Trudovician mushroom in the world is a fungus that was discovered in the United States in 1998. It has a diameter of 3.8 meters and weighs about 40 tons. The giant Trudovic is an edible mushroom, but its flavor is not very pleasant. The giant Trudovic is a popular object of study for scientists. They study its biology and its importance to the ecosystem. The giant Trudovic is a unique mushroom. It is the largest mushroom in the world and plays an important role in the ecosystem. There is a star in the world called Sirius. It is the brightest star in the night sky. Sirius is located in the constellation of the Big Dog and is about 8.6 light years away from Earth. There are many amazing stars in the world. Among them, there's a star called Sirius. This star is the brightest star in the night sky. Sirius consists of 2 stars, Sirius A and Sirius B. Sirius A is a white main sequence star that is 25 times brighter than the Sun. Sirius B is a white dwarf that is 20 times smaller than the Sun and 250,000 times denser. Sirius is located in the constellation of the Big Dog and is about 8.6 light years away from Earth. This means that it takes 8.6 years for light from Sirius to reach us. Sirius is an important star for navigation. It can be seen in the northern hemisphere from November through April. Sirius is a double star. This means that it consists of two stars that orbit around a common center of mass. Sirius A and Sirius B formed from the same nebula about 250 million years ago. Sirius A has a temperature of about 9,940 degrees Celsius. Sirius B has a temperature of about 25,000 degrees Celsius. Sirius is a unique star. It is the brightest star in the night sky and plays an important role in navigation. Our journey through amazing worlds has come to an end. We have learned about the biggest, smallest, brightest, and most unusual objects in the universe. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write us in the comments.